the first trade that I took on my ETH 5k account. After I failed the last challenge, I bought this account and I took my first loss on the propfirm challenge. So as I'm about to show you, it is my first trade of the 5k challenge on ETH. So guys, let's begin the video. Let's go. Start this video, I wanted to tell you that I lost the recording which I was taking the trade. I lost it was about 5 minutes video. So that's why you can see on this clip that I'm about to play, I'm just showing you that my trade had been stopped out. But the original clip, I had lost it. So that's why you can see I'm starting the video showing already that my trade had been taken me on stop loss. That's why I'm starting this video right here, guys. So that I'm likely, it is very good to show people how I'm taking trades, but I would like to show you how I took this trade, guys. Let's begin the video. Guys, I have lost my trade. As you can see right here, I've lost my trade. So guys, let me show you. I have lost the trade. Let me show you on my trading view. This is the trade. I have taken a loss. You can see right here. Let me show you. It has taken me out. You can see it took me out, and it is now consolidating. This week took me out. My stop loss was on this week, this low. That's where my stop loss was. It took me out, and it is now consolidating. So my first trade on my challenge, and I'm down. Let me show you how many dollars I have lost today. As you can see right here, I am down $52. I am down $52, guys. You can see right here. I am down. You see right there. I am down. I am down $52. So I am down, guys, $52. I still have a chance because I was risking at 1:2:1 ratio. Maybe if tomorrow I get a 1:2, I'll go back again to breakeven and a little bit of profit. So that's why it's good for risk to reward ratios, guys. So we'll not give up. We'll continue trading, guys, and see what will happen. So guys, let me show you. You can see right here, I have lost $49 and $3 went for commission. So that's come $52. You can see right here, $49. But commission it is $3. You see here, commission it is $3. So 49 and $3, that's $52 in loss. But guys, will come back stronger. We'll come back stronger, guys. We'll come back stronger, guys. Keep on trading. Keep believing in yourself, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.